Welcome to my channel. If you're hyped for the Galaxy S26 series dropping super soon, smash that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications so you catch the live unpacked stream, fresh unboxings, real Pakistan pricing deals, and insane gaming tests the moment they go live. Let's crank up the excitement together. Drop a comment below on which model you're eyeing. Here's the full scoop on the Samsung Galaxy S26 series in smooth English, all based on the latest confirmed and reliable leaks as of February 23, 2026, no fakes. Just what's out there from trusted sources like Android Central, Phone Arena, GSM Arena, Tom's Guide, and Samsung's own invites. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event is set for February 25, 2026, live from San Francisco starting at 10 a.m. PT, which is about 11 p.m. Pakistan time that night. The stream goes live on Samsung's YouTube, website, and newsroom. Pre-orders kick off right after the event or the next day, and full sales start worldwide on March 11, 2026, same date everywhere including the US, India, Pakistan, Europe, Middle East, and more. In Pakistan, expect them in Samsung stores, Price Oi, Daras, and local spots by March 11 or 12. India hits Flipkart, Amazon, and Samsung shops same day. US gets them through carriers and Samsung.com on March 11 too. Pricing stays pretty close to the S25 in most spots, though some regions might see minor bumps from taxes or RAM costs. In the US, the base Galaxy S26 starts around $799 for 256 GB, S26 Plus at $999, S26 Ultra at $1,299 for 256 GB base. Higher storage like 512 GB or 1 TB adds extra. In India, expect base S26 around 80,000 to 85,000 rupees, plus near 100,000 rupees. Ultra starting 1.3 lakh to 1.35 lakh rupees, with top configs up to 1.7 lakh. Pakistan estimates put base around 2.2 lakh to 2.6 lakh rupees, plus 2.8 lakh to 3.35 lakh. Ultra from 3.5 lakh up to 5.1 lakh, depending on variant and local taxes. Finals come at launch. The upgrades over the S25 are solid but evolutionary. The base model steps up to a 6.3-inch dynamic AMOLED screen from last year's 6.2 inches, still with 120 Hz refresh, up to 26.0 nits brightness or higher, better colors, and efficiency. Plus holds at 6.7 inches with similar refinements. Ultra keeps the big 6.9-inch QHD Plus panel, but adds improved anti-glare, 10-bit color depth, and premium feel. Every model now starts at 256 GB storage minimum. No more 128 GB base, with at least 12 GB RAM standard, and up to 16 GB on Ultra. Cameras keep the same hardware. Base and Plus with 50 MP main, 12 MP ultrawide, 10 MP 3x telephoto. Ultra with 200 MP main and 5x periscope. The real jump comes from software and Galaxy AI, way better low-light shots, enhanced video stabilization, new privacy features like side view screen hiding, smarter photo editing, and more adaptive AI tools. Chipset is the big differentiator. US and some markets get Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 across all models for top speed, on-device AI, and sustained performance. Other regions like Pakistan, India, and Europe get Exynos 26.0 on base and Plus models, with Ultra sticking to Snapdragon globally. The new Exynos on 2nm process brings huge efficiency gains, less heat, and better long-session performance without the throttling seen in older chips. Battery life improves noticeably thanks to the efficient chips, even with modest capacity bumps. Base S26 goes to around 4,300 mAh from 4,000 mAh, giving 10 minutes 15% more screen time. Full day easy on heavy use like browsing, social, videos, and light games. Often 7 minutes 8 hours screen on in mixed heavy sessions, or up to 28 hours video playback. Plus around 4,900 mAh for even better endurance. Ultra stays at 5,000 mAh, but lasts longer than S25 Ultra with superior power management. Leaks show it beating previous web browsing tests by a good margin, handling normal use for 1.5 to 2 days on one charge. Charging holds at 25W wired on base, 45W on plus, with some leaks pointing to up to 60W wired on Ultra for faster fills. Wireless charging around 15-25W depending on model, plus reverse wireless. For gaming, the series levels up big time, especially Snapdragon versions hitting massive benchmarks like high Antutu scores in the millions, Geekbench multicore over 12,000, and GPU tests showing 25-60% gains over S25 chips. That means rock-solid 60 FPS in heavy titles like Genshin Impact or PUBG at max settings for longer without drops or overheating. Sustained performance is way better, holding frames steady during marathon sessions where older models might throttle. Exynos variants still perform strong, but Snapdragon edges it for peak gaming in demanding games. Overall, it's a refined flagship series focused on better efficiency, AI smarts, and everyday reliability rather than wild redesigns. Stay tuned for the official reveal in just days. Subscribe if you haven't, and let's see what Samsung drops next.